Today I'm going to show you how to make AI videos for free and right on YouTube. Let's get started. And open your mobile phone and here download the YouTube video app. And then in the app, when you click on the upload video, then you're going to see the gallery. On top of this gallery, there will be an AI picture and you need to select that. This is the place where you generate AI videos in YouTube. After you click that, mention short description on what kind of video you would like to generate. After you complete writing the description, go to the next button. Then it will give you 4 images of the AI, and whichever you like, select on that and then click generate video. So this will make the video for you. If you do not like, you can also retry by clicking try again, even with the images as well as the videos. So this is how you generate AI videos, and you can also combine those videos that you generate one after the other. So once you like a particular video, let that be, go back to add videos again from the gallery. On the top you will again see the AI button, and then you can click on the generate video again, and combining all this you can create a magnificent video, AI video. Amazing, mind-blowing AI videos can be created using these methods. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like, subscribe to my channel and let's get all the cool things explode. All you're gonna have is a YouTube app. If you look at my channel, the top few shorts, you're gonna blow your mind. Those videos are created for free in YouTube itself. Those videos will be mind-blowing, and only your thoughts and your imagination is the only boundary. And these are all for free. The new YouTube AI is here. The good thing is you can also download these videos after you upload them to YouTube. You can even upload as private video, and later you can download those videos onto your device. So enjoy the new free AI videos in YouTube. Let me know how it goes. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thank you.